ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಗಾರಿದಮ್ ಹ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ 3 ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ನ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿ. ತುಂಬಾ ಜನ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಲ್ಗಾರಿದಮ್ ರೀಚ್ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಗ್ರೋತ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಸ್ಲೋ ಇದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಅಲ್ಗಾರಿದಮ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಎನಿಮಿ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಅಲ್ಗಾರಿದಮ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿ shows content that people engage with. To understand Instagram growth, you must understand how the algorithm thinks. Okay, Instagram manually tracks 3 signals. If your content performs well, these could be one of those signals, and adrindane increase agodu nimma reach. So first one, watch time. This is the most powerful signal. If people are watching your reels more till the end, Instagram assumes that your content is very interesting. Then algorithm ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು push ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಈ ತರ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ನ ಬೇರೆ ಜನರಿಗೆ, ತುಂಬಾ ಜನರಿಗೆ. So how to improve the watch time? So always have a strong hook. The first 3 seconds is very important. Short, clear explanation, visual movement in the video, curiosity driven storytelling. Content that holds attention grows faster. Second signal ಬಂದು engagement. Instagram tracks how people interact with your content. Example, likes irbodu, comments irbodu, shares, ಮತ್ತೆ saves. But saves and shares are especially powerful because they are indicating that your content is very high value content. Third signal is consistency. Algorithm prefers creators who are consistently posting regularly on their platform. This, if your account is more active, the algorithm of the Instagram builds trust. So irregular posting will confuse the algorithm. So content that performs well is the one that Instagram algorithm will push. It could be either educational, inspirational, entertainment irbodu ಅಥವಾ problem solving irbodu. For e-commerce creators, powerful content includes product demonstrations, customer stories, tips and tutorials, behind the scenes. These formats, naturally they will engage with the customers. Instagram today is like moving very fast, and it's like interest-based distribution. If your content is shown not only to the followers, but also to people who are interested in that topic, then this will give new creators the opportunity to grow. Even small accounts have larger audiences if their content performs well. So what to avoid in Instagram? That is, if you have weak hooks at the beginning, then the chances of your video showing is reduced. Long, boring introductions, random posting without strategy, only posting product photos. Content must be valuable and engaging. Avag matrane more people, the content is pushed by the Instagram algorithm. Algorithm just doesn't reward the popularity. It rewards the useful content. Creators who consistently help create algorithms don't reward popularity, they reward useful content. Creators who consistently help their audience naturally gain reach and influence. To work out on this algorithm, focus on first strong hooks, valuable content, audience engagement, ಮತ್ತೆ consistent posting. These habits will align with the platform, and the platform will start distributing your content more.